Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A3 boot from the inside. First, you'll need to locate the emergency release handle. This vital safety feature is usually a small, T-shaped or loop-shaped handle, often colored yellow or made from glow-in-the-dark material for easy identification in low light. You'll typically find it mounted on the inside of the boot lid, close to the latch mechanism itself. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its exact position. Once you've located the emergency release handle, the next step is straightforward. Simply grasp the handle firmly and pull it towards you with a steady motion. You should hear a distinct click as the boot latch disengages. This action releases the locking mechanism, allowing the boot to open. Depending on the spring tension, the boot may pop open fully, or it might just unlatch, requiring you to push it open the rest of the way. If the boot doesn't open immediately, first ensure there are no items inside that might be obstructing its path. Sometimes, luggage or other objects can prevent the lid from fully opening. Also, quickly check the latch area for any debris that might be interfering with the mechanism. Remember, this emergency release is designed for situations where the primary release fails or for safety. It's not intended for regular use, so always prioritize safety when operating it. Knowing how to open your Audi A3 boot from the inside using the emergency release is a valuable skill, especially in unexpected situations. It's a critical safety feature designed to prevent entrapment. We highly recommend taking a moment to locate and understand this mechanism in your own vehicle. Being prepared can make a significant difference. Also, for an amazing way to keep your car and home spotless, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.